Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PeoplePerHour for US-ready freelancing, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To activate PeoplePerHour for US-ready freelancing, start by visiting the PeoplePerHour website. Click the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Choose the option to register as a freelancer. Once registered, go to your email inbox and verify your email address by clicking the link sent from PeoplePerHour. Log into your PeoplePerHour account using your email and password. Complete your profile by adding a professional photo and a brief bio that highlights your skills and experience. Scroll down to the Skills section and select relevant skills that match your freelance offerings. Next, set your work availability and preferred project types. Navigate to the Hourly Rates section and set a competitive rate that aligns with the US market. Add any previous work samples or portfolio items to showcase your expertise to potential clients. Ensure your account settings are configured for payments, including linking your bank account or PayPal. Review the platform's terms and conditions and privacy policy before proceeding. Once done, click the Save Changes button to finalize your profile settings. To start bidding on projects, browse the job listings and filter by your area of expertise. Select a project that interests you and read the job description carefully. Click Submit Proposal and craft a personalized message to the client, explaining why you are the ideal candidate. Include a breakdown of your pricing and estimated delivery time in your proposal. Finally, submit your proposal and await responses from potential clients. By following these steps, you'll successfully activate PeoplePerHour for US-ready freelancing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.